It's time for ECSELent Adventures in Mrs. Wong's class. Mrs. Wong has been noticing some issues around communicating feelings and problem solving among her students during group work. She decided to use this ECSELent Adventures session to have partners work together to identify the feelings of characters having a conflict in a story and try to come up with a potential solution with their partner. As she was checking in on her students, she noticed one pair having an argument over the assignment.
That's not fair. You always write down the ideas. Well, I can't read your handwriting, so I need to do it. That's mean. I hate being your partner.
Mrs. Wong came over with the Hemi and Shemi puppets to talk with her students and acknowledge the problem.
Hemi, Shemi, and I noticed that you two are having some difficulty with this project. I know it can sometimes be challenging to work with a partner. Can you talk to each other about what you're feeling?
Both Charlie and Amy crossed their arms and shook their heads. Mrs. Wong saw this as a teachable moment to help them start solving the problem.
It can be hard to use your words right away, especially when you are feeling upset. We've learned that Hemi and Shemi disagree a lot as siblings, but they always end up using their words with each other to understand and solve the problem. When we are having a problem with a friend, it helps to use your words and share how you are both feeling so you can move forward and work towards a solution.
Charlie and Amy still looked hesitant, so Mrs. Wong asked,
"Would you like me to show you how to start talking about your feelings? Or would you rather Hemi and Shemi show you?"
Charlie and Amy giggled and said,
Hemi and Shemi!
Mrs. Wong held up Hemi and Shemi and showed her students how to start by saying,
"It made me feel angry when you wouldn't give me a turn,"
as Charlie and Amy observed. Mrs. Wong then asked her students if they would like to try solving the problem on their own using Hemi and Shemi. Charlie and Amy nodded, and she gave each of them a puppet. Using the Shemi puppet, Charlie said to Amy,
I'm sorry I said I didn't want to be your partner. What if we take turns writing? That way we both get a chance.
Amy used the Hemi puppet to say,
I wasn't trying to be mean, but I really can't read your handwriting sometimes. Would it be okay if I write, but you get to tell me what to write down? Okay, that seems fair to me.